Hi, my name is Mehernosh, and I am the Executive Vice President at one of the largest conglomerates in India. I was looking at an Ayurvedic center some time back for some of the problems that I was facing, specifically with respect to fat reduction in my liver, uh, also with respect to hypothyroidism. And I was checking out various LLMs, which is ChatGPT, Claude, etc., and etc. And I asked them several questions, and IVAC obviously came up first, amongst various others. Now, the reason why I chose IVAC was because number one, which is very different from all the other centers that I know, and there are quite a few in the north as well as in the south, is that it's an integrative approach. That's an integrated approach. And I'll tell you what I mean by that. It's an integrated approach between allopathy and Ayurveda. Now, if you actually go on the LLMs, most of them will tell you that if you go for a Panchatantra treatment in Panchakarma treatment at any of the Ayurvedic center, they will ask you to stop the allopathy medicines. This is something that IVAC did not do. So it was very different. Second, I'm thankful to Pratima as well as Dr. Pilaku and the entire staff of IVAC because they have been absolutely wonderful and they're very sweet people. Even if there is a problem, you feel really sorry to tell them and they're so sweet. So thank you for that. But what's most important is that before I came here, they took all my reports. I came here and they found out that there were some reports which were required. I was immediately put in a taxi, taken to Mysore. The tests were done, the results were out on the same day, and the medication started thereafter. There are a lot of myths around Ayurveda. It is not just massage. There are various treatments, and all the treatments that I underwent were external. And they significantly helped me in all the problems that I was facing. Uh, this is very, very important. And before you choose an Ayurvedic center, there are two or three things that you need to know. One is the credential of the doctor itself. Second one is the quality of the center and the treatments. And the third and the most important thing is that you would not want to do Ayurveda without your allopathic doctor's consent, right? So it needs to be an integrative approach. When it is an integrative approach and when both of these speak to each other, you feel more confident, you feel more relaxed. And that is what I have experienced in IVAC. I think the objectives which I set for myself before coming to IVAC have been achieved to a very large extent. I'm going to continue my consultation with Dr. Meena, your doctor also. And she's told me that. And I've had a great experience. I don't need to say much about the atmosphere and the rooms because they are brilliant. The service is brilliant, but that's not one of the reasons why you come to an Ayurvedic center, right? Because if that was the reason, then there are several resorts that are available throughout India, which so-called say that they have Ayurvedic treatments. Thank you.